Dear students, welcome to Kana Kingdom Smart Education online classes. Our new chapter is chapter number 2, polynomial. Before I start this topic, first of all, we recall our last class algebraic expression. What is the algebraic expression and what is the algebraic equation? If I denote 2x 3x square plus 5x 3x cube 7x minus 10, these are our algebraic expression. And what is the algebraic equation? If I write 2x is equal to 4, 3x square plus 5x is equal to 1, 3x cube plus 7x is equal to 10. These are our algebraic equation. If one condition is given, then this is called only expression. 2x, x is our variable. 3x square plus 5x, x is our variable. 3x cube plus 7x minus 10, this is our algebraic expression. And what is the equation? If given condition used the equal sign, 2x is equal to 4, then x is equal to 2. This is our equation. If we use equal sign, then this is called our algebraic equation. Now, what is polynomial? What is polynomial? It is simply an algebraic expression so algebraic expression is our polynomial. Now let example fx, a expression in x is called function of x. Fx is function of x. What is the function of x? 2x fx is equal to 3x square plus 5x, fx is equal to 3x cube plus 7x minus 10. This is our polynomial. Now here is example of one variable. We can also write in 2 variables, 3 variables and many more variables. Now degree of polynomial. Degree of polynomial. Highest power of variable is called degree of polynomial. Now for this example, what is the degree? Degree is 1. The power of x is equal to 1. In this example, what is the degree? Here the power is 1, here the power is 2. Highest power is 2. So degree is 2. In this example, what is the degree? Higher here x power 1 and x power 3. So highest power is 3. So degree is over 3. This is our degree of a polynomial. Now, one important thing in polynomial, equation, power of all terms will be whole number. In polynomial equation, power of all term will be whole number. What is the whole number? Whole number is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Not negative number, not a fraction number. Not negative number, not a fraction number, not a decimal number. Only whole number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. If a equation used whole number in powers, then called polynomial equation. Example, root x minus 5 is not a polynomial equation because here power is half. Power is equal to half, not whole number. So this is not a polynomial equation. If we write x plus 5 upon x is not a polynomial equation because here is power 1, here is power 1 and 1 whole number. But if we denote the power for this equation can also write as x plus 5x. If we write down x in numerator, the power will be negative term. The power is x power 1, but we write in numerator, the power will be negative number. So here is power plus 1 and minus 1. Minus 1 is not a whole number. Power is minus 1. This is not our whole number. So this is not a polynomial equation. Next term is our coefficient. Coefficient, COEFFICIENT, coefficient. Now, what is coefficient? What is our coefficient? Coefficient is the constant multiplier with variable called coefficient. The constant multiplier, these are the constant multiplier called coefficient. This is our coefficient. Constant multiplier of variable terms. Constant multiplier of variable terms called coefficient. Here coefficient of x is 2, here coefficient of x square is 3x, coefficient of x is 5, Here coefficient of x cube is 3, coefficient of x is 7, constant term is 10. Here coefficient of x is 2, coefficient of x square is 3, coefficient of x is 5, constant term is 1. Coefficient of x cube is 3, coefficient of x is 7 and constant term is 10. These are the coefficient. Now another word is monomials. An expression used single term. An expression used single term. For example, 2x, 10x 5, 17x 9. These are the example of monomials. In this, the expression use single term. This is one equation, another equation, this is our another equation. If we use single term called monomials. Next is binomial. An expression used two terms. For example, 2x plus 5, 10x 5 plus x, 17x 9 minus x cube. These are the equation which used two terms, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, two terms. If we use two terms, then this is called binomials. Now another definitions are linear equation. If an equation having degree 1, if an equation right in which the degree is 1 called linear equation. For example, 2x is equal to 4, 3x minus 5 is equal to 0. These are the our example of linear equation. Here power of x is equal to 1, power of x is equal to 1, so degree is 1. If an equation having degree 1 called linear equation. Next word is quadratic equation. If an equation having degree 2, if an equation right here the degree is 2. For example, 2x square plus 5x minus 8 is equal to 0. Here the degree is 2. Next is x square minus 4 is equal to 0. Next is 3x square minus 5x plus 10 is equal to 0. These are the equation which are having degree 2. Next word is cubic equation. What is the cubic equation? If an equation having degree 3, the if an equation having degree 3 called cubic equation, for example 4x cube minus 4x square plus 5x minus 10 is equal to 0. Here power is 1, 2 and the highest power called degree, so degree is 3. This is our cubic equation. Next is x cube minus 5x plus 10 is equal to 0. Here power is 1 and 3, so degree is 3. This is our cubic equation. Now let's take beginning from this chapter. What is the algebraic expression? If a condition written in x, y, z called an algebraic equation, for example 2x 3x square plus 5x 3x cube plus 7x minus 10, this is called algebraic expression. What is the algebraic equation? If we use equal sign, if we use the sign of equal in algebraic expression, this called our algebraic equation. Next, what is polynomial? If it is simply an algebraic expression, the algebraic expression is also called polynomial. For example, fx is equal to 2x. Here the mean of f and x, function of x, this is called function of x is equal to 2x, function of x is equal to 3x square plus 5x, function of x is equal to 3x cube plus 7x minus 10. Next word is degree of polynomial. Highest power of variable is called degree of polynomial. For example, this is our question, find the degree of these. Power of x is equal to 1, so degree is 1. Power of x is equal to 1 and 2, highest is 2, so degree is 2. Power of x is equal to 1 and 3, highest is 3, so degree is 3. Now an important thing, in polynomial equation the power of all term will be whole number. Whole number means 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. If power written in whole number, this is called polynomial equation. If we can't write power in whole number, this is not our polynomial equation. For example, root x minus 5, the root is our power, the power is half. Power is half. So this is not our polynomial equation because power not whole number. Here second example, x plus 5 upon x can also written as x power 1 5. If we write x in numerator part, here is the denominator part. When we write in numerator part, the power will be negative. Here power is 1. When write in numerator part, the power is minus 1. Minus 1 not a whole number. So this is not a polynomial equation because power is equal to minus 1, which is not a whole number. Now another definition is, what is the coefficient? Constant multiplier of variable terms called coefficient. The constant of x is equal to 2, constant of x square is equal to 3, so coefficient of x square is equal to 3, coefficient of x is equal to 5, coefficient of x cube is equal to 3, coefficient of x is equal to 7, constant term is equal to minus 10. So this is our coefficient. Another word is monomial. If an expression used single term, if equation written in a single term, this is called monomial. For example 2x, another example 10x5. Another example 17x9. This is expression used only single term, so called monomials. Now binomials, if an expression use two terms, 2x plus 5, 10x5 plus x, 17x9 minus x cube. Here the terms are 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. If we use two terms called binomials. Next definition is linear equation. If an equation having degree 1, the highest power of equation is 1, then called linear equation. 2x is equal to 4, power of x is equal to 1, degree is 1. 3x minus 5 is equal to 0. Here power of x is equal to 1, so degree is 1. If an equation written in 1 degree called linear equation. Next is quadratic equation. What is the quadratic equation? If an equation having degree 2, here example is 2x square plus 5x minus 8, power of x is 1 and 2, highest is 2, so degree is 2. X square minus 4, here power of x is equal to 2, so degree is 2. 3x square minus 5x plus 10 is equal to 0, here degree is 2. Cubic equation. If an equation having degree 3, 4x cube minus 4x square plus 5x minus 10 is equal to 0. Here power is 1, 2 and 3, highest is 3, so degree is 3. X cube minus 5x plus 10, power of x is 1 and 3, highest is 3, so degree is 3. This is our cubic equation. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our question in exercise. Now in exercise 2.1, question number first, which of the following expression are polynomials? First question is, which of the following expression are polynomial? Which are polynomial, which are not polynomial? Next is polynomial in one variable and which are not. Which are the following equation written in a one variable? Variable is our x, y, z, etc., etc. State the reason for your answer. First, 4x square minus 3x plus 7. Here only one variable used and power in over whole number. Yes, because this expression used only one variable x, which having power in whole number. Now second equation is y square plus root 2. Y, the single variable y and power in our whole number. So this is our polynomial in one variable. Yes, because this expression used only one variable, the variable name is y, which having power in whole number. Then third, 3 root t plus t root 2. Here variable is t, only one variable, but power of t is 1 and power of t is half. When power is half, not a whole number, so this is not our polynomial. It is not a polynomial. Because power of t is not whole number. The power of t is half. This is not a whole number, so this is not our polynomial. Next is y plus 2 upon y, also written as y plus 2y power minus 1. Power of y is 1. When we write in numerator, the power will be negative. So this is our minus 1. So it is polynomial? No. The power is minus 1, not a whole number. It is not a polynomial because power of y is not whole number. Now next question is x power 10, y power 3, t power 15. All the powers are in whole number, but this is not a polynomial in one variable. This is a polynomial of 3 variables. It is a polynomial in 3 variables: x, y and t. Not a one variable, this equation in 3 variables. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next question. So students, our next question is question number 2. Write the coefficient of x square in each of following. First, 2 plus x square plus x. Question is coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square means multiplier of x square. Multiplier of x square not written means 1. Coefficient of x square is 1. In next, what is the coefficient of x square? X square coefficient is minus 1. Coefficient of x square is minus 1. Now in this, what is the coefficient of x square? Coefficient of x square, multiplier of x square is pi by 2. Coefficient of x square is pi by 2. Now in this, coefficient of x square is, what is the coefficient of x square? Here in this equation we are not using x square. We are not using x square because we can return this equation in this term. 0 into x square is equal to 0, so the x square term will be absent. Now the coefficient of x square is 0. If any term missing in equation, its coefficient is 0. If any term missing in equation, the coefficient of those term is 0. The coefficient of x cube, there is no x cube, so coefficient is 0. The coefficient of x power 4, the coefficient of x power 4 is 0 because x power 4 is missing. The coefficient of x square in this equation, there are no x square term, so the coefficient of x square is 0. Now next question, question number 3. Give one example of each binomial equation. This equation using single term. This is our single term of degree 35. 2x 35. Only single term having power 35. Sorry. Binomial means bi means 2. So there are two terms. Next term I written this. There are two terms, 1 and 2. Highest power is 35, so degree is 35. Binomial, bi means 2. There are two terms which having degree 35. So we use two terms having degree 35. Highest power is 35. Next is mono. Mono means 1. In this equation we use only one term of degree 100. 5x power 100. 5x power 100. Only single term used in monomial equation. You can take a screenshot of this. We will take another questions in our next video. Thank you for watching this video.